Men! Ah!
Why wouldn't Peter let me in?
Forgive me, Father, but I gotta take a chance. Oh, I'm already gone, so blessed. Pray for me.
Hey family, welcome back. I hope you're doing fantastic. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Esther, MsTopacJay. Okay, so into this video, I wanted to do a little bit of another fall kind of related makeup look because I feel like my last one was very like too out there. I don't know. Anyway, that was just like a spun of the moment thing. So I want to do something a little bit planned. All right, you guys know we're not in fall in Australia. We're currently in spring, leading into summer, and you babes in the US and the UK and whatnot in fall. Okay, so anyway, if you're joining FamBam, subscribe down below, turn notifications so that way you can be notified every single time I upload a video. Okay, and without further ado, let's just get into this video. So as you can see, I've already gone ahead and did my brows. I'm going to prep my lid using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Concealer. Nope, the L'Oreal Infallible Modern Concealer in the shade 338 Honey. Okay, as usual. This concealer does not want to finish. I've been using this concealer non-stop and it is still in there. I'm going to blend it out using a sponge. Can't find my handy mirror, the Dry Cosmetics mirror. I don't know where I put it. So I guess we're using a tiny mirror today. All right, so here we go. Lid is prepped nicely. And now I kind of want to do like as I was sleeping. By the way, yesterday was the first time in like forever that I actually went to bed around 8 o'clock and then get up to like 4 a.m. this morning. First time in forever. That might sound weird to those who doesn't have insomnia. Usually I don't go to sleep till around 2 a.m. most of the time. Maybe the earliest is like 1 a.m. or whatever. So yes, it was like the first time in forever that I went to sleep around 8 o'clock. I still woke up around 4 o'clock, but still, like I woke up and I felt like I've been sleeping for like 2 days. I was like, wow, that hasn't happened to me in a long time. Anyway, as I was sleeping, I kept thinking of like orange with like a cut crease, but not like a regular cut crease, like cut in the middle, and then still orange, like orange cut orange. I don't know. That's all I kept thinking about. So I'm gonna try that. Hopefully it turns out right. So I've got 2 palettes here. You babes know I mainly only use like 1 palette and limited amount of brushes. So I don't know. I'm drawn to the orange shade in this one right here, which is the Glam Light Pizza palette. Hot sauce. I got hot sauce in my bag. Swag. That one. But I'm also liking this muted one right here in the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette. I like the shade right here. Morocco. One is reddish orange, one is actually pure. That one right here, I think I'm gonna go with that one. I like that. Yes, I bend this. It's still closed, so it's fine, don't worry. We're gonna use the Juvia's Place palette. I know it's quite nasty, don't focus on it, so we're gonna use that one. We're never gonna use a transition shade or whatever. We're just gonna dive into it. Why not? This is the Morphe M330 brush, so I'm gonna pick up that shade. Should I come a bit closer? Come closer, come closer. When I'm doing that, my boob really hurts, especially when I'm not wearing a bra, and my boob is quite dangly. So I don't know, like it's looking down on me. I'm just gonna put this in my crease. We're not using another shade. We're just gonna use the 1 shade today. 1 shade. Wow. Kind of like 2, but I think with the cut, I'm gonna like set it with powder. I hope if this doesn't turn out right, it's okay. I'm just not going to upload it, or maybe I'll just upload it for laugh. We don't know. Anyway, let's keep going. So I'm gonna start gradually building this up in my crease, and yeah, just all over like so. Gonna blend that out. That looks beautiful, doesn't it? All right. I'm just gonna keep making sure I blend this out. Whew, I'm actually just focusing on this because I'm quite nervous. All right, let me do the other eye. All right, so now I'm just gonna start packing it on to kind of build up that color, like intensify it a little bit more. As you guys can see, like look at that. Yes, pack it on, and I'm gonna blend the edge to make sure things are nicely married together. Now I'm gonna tap it off and blend the edge. Still using that same brush. Actually, I want it to be above my crease a little bit. Come higher. Sure. The husband is cheating. And then I'm gonna blend it out like in my brow bone, so that way it's more like muted up here. This is the Morphe 213 brush. It's a very tiny brush, and I would mainly use this kind of smudge stuff in my like waterline. So I hope this works because it doesn't really have like a concealer brush type bristle. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Modern Concealer again. And did you see that? Oh, I did this instead of this. That's so funny. So I'm just gonna put this in my crease. Oh, wrong place. It's okay. We're gonna pack this on again anyway. It's fine. I'm just gonna cut the middle here. I'm literally just cutting where my crease is. I hope this turns out the way I've been dreaming it. I love orange colors, honestly. I've done a couple of looks using orange shadows already, orange and yellow. Oh, my favorite combination. It just looks like the sun. I'm not gonna bring it out because I just kind of want it there. So now I'm just gonna, I don't know what I'm doing, but I think I like this. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pick up that shade again using that brush that I just used to cut my crease and just pack it right here because I just want that line, like I just want that crease line. Do you know what I mean? Like a whoosh, like a rainbow, but a single color in a rainbow. Do you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Oh god, I think I should have used a brighter concealer, like a white concealer, so I can see the line more, because the fact that I don't have my glasses on or whatever, like I have to, okay, there we go, I can see it now. You brought a girl home, you're going up the stairs, you left the bra, everything, all of it. I'm not saying cheat on your wife or whatever, but I'm saying I feel like sometimes men just intentionally want to get caught because they don't want to be in that relationship anymore. Is he cheating, or is he planning the surprise? Oh, she's laughing. Oh, planned a surprise. Okay, never forget it. Forget I was ranting. forget. Ignore the rant. Should we use this? Oh, let's just try it. I'm using that same brush, the M2213 brush. Just gonna pick up that shimmer shade. We're gonna spray it so it can straight up look metallic-y. Okay, this is what we're doing. And now I'm planning on using the tip of the brush so it can fit in that crease. Yes. Oh god, wow. That was a laugh if I haven't seen one. Decided to bring it out a little bit, but like thinner. I think I like that. All right, so now I'm just gonna clean things up a little bit by grabbing a brush and just blend things out a little bit more here. Actually, I don't really need to blend a lot out. So I'm gonna pick up the shade Nairobi, just a little bit, and then dab it off. And there's literally like a tiny bit there, and we're gonna put this in the brow bone, just right here. Men!
Why wouldn't they tell me?
Instead of using a liner, I just wanted like a muted, kind of like a brownish shade in my, you know, lash line. So I'm going to pick up the shade Kenya, and I'm using that same M213 brush. I'm just picking up with the tip, and I'm going to smudge this in my lash line, the top lash line, kind of like a liner. And I'm mainly going to do it, you know, right here, so that when I put my lashes on, everything kind of just marries together. I love this brush for this. Yes, I can't find my lashes. Okay, so the lash we're going to be using is the That's Beauty lash, the Value Pack lash. I know, see, there's only one I've been dumb bone stanking. So I'm gonna just stack two together and put it on. He told her. Alright guys, so we're done. I went ahead and I went off camera and did my face. I actually filmed that in a video, but I don't think that's gonna go up at all. I tried new makeup and whatnot, but anyway, on my lips I have the Bite Beauty lipstick. I'm gonna put it down below because I've lost it already. And ignore my lace. I really don't want to really sleek it down, to be honest with you. So let's just ignore that because I'm not really going anywhere. But yeah, I really like the way this look turned out. If you liked it, let me know in the comments what you think about it. Yeah. And my sister, she liked it, right? It looks like the sun. I like it. I like yellow and orange together. Makes me feel good. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Let me know.
Slow down.
Slow down. I just wanna get to know you. Turn around.
Okay, finish your video.
Okay. Stop, don't interrupt me. Interrupt me.
Can't speak.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this look. Thanks for watching, as I said, and wherever you're doing, so love yourself. And I'll see you in my very next video. Bye.